Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and Dlaminis on 28 January 2025. Former Imbeu star Thembi Mtshali Jones as Nongelosi Nolwazi Shange, who wins the 2024's Parent of the Year award. She is going to commit the crime of hiding her true intentions from her daughter Phetheni, who will now have to suffer as a result. Their fractured relationship has Nongelosi determined to remind Phetheni of her past by opening old wounds, and she is plotting her comeback by sliding back into her life with ulterior moves. Thank you for watching.